This easy sausage buns recipe will help you make a soft and fluffy hot dog buns, and they taste absolutely delicious just like the ones that we buy from the best bakeries. It's so easy to make and we'll need only a few basic ingredients, and in this video let's see how to make this bakery style sausage buns in 5 simple steps. So as the first step, let's prepare the bread dough. It's so easy to make this bread dough. We are going to add in all our ingredients into this bowl and mix them all together to form our bread dough. So into this bowl, let's add in some milk. The milk that I've used is slightly warm and not hot. And now I'm adding some sugar, salt, and yeast. And give it a good stir until all our ingredients get dissolved. And now I'm adding butter, which is at room temperature. You can see it's soft, and so it will be easy for us to blend them all together. And now I'm adding flour into this and combine them all together to form a shaggy mass of dough. Transfer this dough onto a clean work surface and knead the dough until we get a soft and elastic dough. This dough is not a very sticky dough, and it will be easy for us to knead the dough. In about 8 to 10 minutes of kneading, we'll get a dough which is soft, smooth and elastic. And now let's cover it with a bowl and let the dough sit and rise for 30 minutes. And in the meantime, let's prepare our sausage. So I'm heating a tablespoon of oil in a skillet over medium heat and allow the sausage to crisp slightly. Now set them aside on a plate to cool. And after 30 minutes, our dough has risen slightly. And now let's divide and shape our dough. I'm dividing the dough into 8 equal parts. Then take each portion and then tuck in the edges towards the center and roll it into round balls. So we prepared all our rolls, and now take each dough ball and roll it into a thin sheet. Roll and form it into a cylinder shape. Pinch and seal the edges. Now roll and elongate it into a 12-inch rope, keeping the middle thicker than the ends. Then shape it around the hot dog and tuck in the ends. Place them on a parchment lined baking sheet. So now we prepared all of them. So cover it with a cling film or with a kitchen towel and let them rise and puff up. After 45 minutes, they have all puffed up really well. Let's give an egg wash, which will make the top of our rolls look more shiny and golden brown when baked. I'm sprinkling the top with some sesame seeds. And now they're all ready to go into the oven. So bake it at 375 Fahrenheit preheated oven for 18 to 20 minutes. And after baking, we'll get beautiful sausage rolls. I'm brushing the top with some butter while they are still warm. This will make the buns even more softer. Our bread is extremely soft and they taste super delicious. And these buns are good for breakfast or to have them for picnic, and also a fantastic snack to have at any time of the day. I hope you found this recipe easy to make, and I hope you will make this at home, and I'm pretty sure you will love it. And if you like this video, please give your valuable thumbs up, and please don't forget to share this recipe with your friends and family. And thank you so much for your love and support, and thanks for watching this video. See you next time.